In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Divi code module. Now, the code module is basically a blank canvas that allows you to put shortcodes or static HTML into your post. So instead of using a text module or adding it to some other module, this just gives you a complete blank slate. For example, if you're using a slider plugin, a third-party slider plugin, and you'd like to place their slider inside of Divi, well, just input a code module, copy it, and paste their shortcode, and you're going to have their slider display beautifully. You could even put it in a full-width code module, so there's a full-width code module available as well. So if you're using some other slider plugin and you want to have a full-width slider that you think works a little bit better for your website than the Divi slider, just input a full-width code module, copy and paste that shortcode in, and it's going to work great. So that's what the code module is for. And I'm going to give you an example. So I'm using the Bloom plugin, or Bloom email opt-in plugin. And Bloom lets you generate an email opt-in form as a shortcode and put it anywhere on your website. So here I have a blog post, and at the bottom of this blog post, I would like to invite people to sign up to my newsletter using Bloom. And I can do that using the shortcode and the code module. So I'm going to head over to my dashboard and go to the Bloom opt-in forms. And you can see I've created an opt-in form here. If you're not familiar with Bloom, that's okay. I'm just going here to grab the shortcode. So here's the form I'd like to add. I'm going to copy and paste this shortcode. So a lot of plugins work this way. They'll generate shortcodes for you, and you can place them on your site. So I've copy and pasted that shortcode. Now I'm going to edit the post and scroll down to the bottom. And I'm going to replace that call to action with a new section. I'm going to input a single one column row, and then I'm going to scroll down to the code module here. And there's only one field in the code module, which is the content. I'm going to copy and paste that shortcode. You can also adjust your admin label and CSS ID and CSS class if you like, but I'm not going to bother with that right now. So I'm going to input my shortcode, update the page, and now when I refresh, you're going to see that shortcode has been used to display my opt-in form at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to get the post here, and there you see the opt-in form. Yep, so that's a basic overview of the Divi code module that you can use to input shortcodes and code anywhere that you use the Divi builder.